In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Intercom API Token. By the end, you'll have a secure access token ready to power your integrations or automation. First, open your Intercom workspace in a web browser and sign in with an account that has admin permissions. Admin access is important because only admins can reach the developer settings where tokens live. If you're not sure whether you're an admin, try following along. If certain options don't appear, you may need to ask a workspace owner to adjust your role. Once you're in the Intercom dashboard, head to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Developer Hub. Depending on your plan or UI version, it may be labeled Developers or API and Keys. This section is where Intercom centralizes everything related to apps, credentials, and tokens, so it's the right place to create or manage what your integration needs. Inside the Developer Hub, open the area called Your Apps. If an app for your integration already exists, you can use that. If not, create a new one by selecting Create App or New App. Give it a clear, descriptive name such as API Integration so teammates know what it's for later. Then save. Intercom will set up this app as the container for your API usage, which helps keep tokens organized and permissions easier to track. Next, open the app you just created or selected. In the app settings, find the section labeled Authentication or Access Token. Here, Intercom displays a long token string and a copy button. Click Copy to securely copy it to your clipboard. That string is your Intercom API token. Intercom may also refer to it as a personal access token, and it functions as a bearer token when you include it in the authorization header of your API requests. A few important notes on safety and best practices. Treat this token like a password. Do not share it publicly, paste it in screenshots, or commit it to version control. Store it in environment variables or a secure secrets manager. If you suspect it's been exposed, return to the same app settings and rotate or revoke the token. Then update any services that rely on it. Keep access limited to only those who need it. If you can't find the Developer Hub or the Access Token section, you may be viewing a different plan tier or lack the required permissions. Ask an admin to grant you the right role, or use Intercom's search within settings to locate developers or API and keys. That's it. You've created an app and copied your Intercom API token, ready for use in your integrations.